Stop! Stop! Oh, you're supposed to get hit by it in the movie. Oh. Look at me. Can you pull our train, please? No, I am a passenger train. I carry passengers. No, bye-bye. No, come on. I don't know, not that one yet. Chugga. 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 Stop! Oh, what's up? What? Can you pull our train, please? No, I'm my own train. Bye-bye. Train? No, I am a good train that carries medals and some newspaper for the grown-ups. I carry a dozen. Now I'm going to kick you in the face now. Hey, statue! What do you mean? Can you help us pull our train? I can try. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I can. And that's the end of the little train that could.